Thank you very much. To my cousins in studio, they're Millers. This is your namesake.
Yours truly.
And the Millers were always to keep up of the sacred text. The record, the historical, the Hebrew records was like that. I start by saying this Isaiah, in the book of Isaiah. Ahab, Hezekiah, Jotham, and Uzziah, they were four kings the time the prophet Isaiah lived. Isaiah chapter 1, verse 5 records God by saying these words. Why should you absent his people to the prophet? Why should you perhaps be beaten anymore? Why do you persist in rebellion?
Your whole head is injured, your whole heart afflicted. Verse 7. That's your islands. Burn with fire. Kelly Dock on the straw market. Your fields are being stripped by foreigners right before you. This is Isaiah chapter 1, verse 7.
Your country is desolate, your city is burned with fire, your fields are being stripped by foreigners right before you. Land waste has been overthrown by strangers. Verse 9 says, unless the Lord Yeshua Almighty had left us the survivors, we would have become like Sodom. Is this the same country who's now promoting same-sex marriage?
Yes, it is.
Not heard in America,
But not no more. The sons are home. Defenders of the faith.
Take off his robe, Steve, and your listeners, and said he rather lived in Iran in a nation which calls on Allah, but we call on Jesus this man. Now hear this word of the Lord. He said, we would have become like Gomorrah. Now, in the very same book, Isaiah recorded these words in 24:5 and 6. He said,
Therefore,
the Lord
Yeshua Almighty, the mighty one of Israel, declares. Yeah. This is the royal seed. No, absolutely not. I will vent my wrath, my Lord. Real talk. Thank you, Steve. Thank you, Steve. Real talk. Thank you.